Tummy time is laying babies on their stomachs for brief periods while they are awake. It's an important way to help babies strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles and improve motor skills. Tummy time can also prevent the back of your baby's head from developing flat spots. Tummy time will assist your baby in developing the strength required for sitting up, rolling over, crawling, and walking. Remember, back to sleep, tummy to play. Your baby should always be awake during tummy time and under your careful watch. Encourage your baby to work his way up to about 15 minutes total on his tummy every day, or 2 to 3 sessions a day lasting 3 to 5 minutes each, always under your watchful eye. As your baby gets older, you can leave him on his belly for longer stretches, since older babies need more time on their tummies to build strength. The ideal time to do tummy time is after your baby wakes up from a nap or following a diaper change. Start newborns on tummy time by placing them belly down on your chest or across your lap for a few minutes at a time, 2 or 3 times a day. While lying on their belly, they can practice lifting their head and strengthening the neck and shoulder muscles. As your baby gets used to it, you can go for a little longer. For older babies, clear a small area of the floor. Place your baby on his tummy on a playmat or clean towel for 3 to 5 minutes to start, several times each day. Your baby may get fussy and frustrated in this position. Keep the first sessions of tummy time brief and gradually lengthen them. As your baby gets used to it, place your little one belly down more often or for longer periods of time. Experts recommend that babies work up to about 1 hour of tummy time a day by the time they are 3 months old. Get down on the floor with your baby, face to face or side by side. Chat him up and offer up a special toy for entertainment. Place an unbreakable mirror in front of your baby so he can see his own fascinating face. Vary the position from in front of your baby to either side. Tempt your baby with appealing toys. Make a circle with them around your child so he'll be tempted to reach for them, which helps develop all of the different muscles necessary to eventually sit up, crawl and walk. Prop him up by placing a nursing pillow or other firm cushion under his chest and arms if he initially protests tummy time. Then try to wean him off of using these props. Tummy time gets your baby ready for the exciting developmental stages ahead. Most babies can lift their heads 45 degrees by 3 months and 90 degrees by a month later. Around 9 months, many babies start crawling. That's all in this video. We'll meet you in my next video with more exciting content. Meanwhile, do check out our other videos. Happy parenting!